Hi everyone, my name is Timothy Rice. I'm the managing partner at Timothy Rice Estate and Elder Law Firm in Voorhees, New Jersey. Today I'm going to talk about a guardianship, which is a court proceeding to appoint a guardian for someone who is incapacitated. If you want to learn more about the guardianship process, how it works, how you may be able to avoid it for the betterment of your family, please subscribe. And we are producing these videos quite frequently, and we'd love for you to take advantage of that opportunity. So in a guardianship, all of the closest next of kin of the allegedly incapacitated person must be provided with copies of all the court guardianship papers that have been filed. And those closest next of kin will have an opportunity to either approve or oppose the guardianship. What happens oftentimes in contested guardianships is that if the children don't get along and they're all competing to become mom or dad's guardian, they take that opportunity to oppose their siblings' request to be appointed guardian, which leads to a long, protracted court proceeding. So the costs of a guardianship vary depending on a lot of facts and circumstances. For uncontested guardianships, the cost is typically a few $1,000s. If it's a contested guardianship, that cost could be significantly higher, because if multiple family members don't get along and they're all competing to become mom or dad's guardian, well, what usually happens is multiple family members hire multiple lawyers and the legal fees unfortunately skyrocket. Again, that could be avoided for people who proactively sign powers of attorney and medical directives that appoint the right person in their family to take care of things, and don't leave it open to a family argument which will do nothing but deplete assets. How one can avoid the costly and time-consuming guardianship proceeding is to have the person proactively do a durable financial power of attorney and an advance medical directive well before the point they become incapacitated. That way, the person can control who's going to be in charge of their financial and medical decisions, and there'll be no need to go through the costly guardianship process. There is a significant cost difference between the cost of a guardianship and the cost of avoiding the guardianship by doing durable financial powers of attorney and advanced medical directives. For those two documents, that could be less than $500. For the cost of an uncontested guardianship, the cost would be probably $2,000 to $3,000. And of course, a contested guardianship would be multiples of thousands of dollars. So it's pretty apparent that proactively doing those legal documents can save a lot of money and a lot of time and hassle. If you found this video on guardianships to be helpful, please comment below with the word guardianship so that we can produce more helpful videos like this one. If you're concerned about protecting your loved ones through a guardianship process or with the other documents we mentioned, please contact our office and we can help protect your family. We have been helping clients with estate and elder law issues since 1991. We are licensed in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, and we help clients in a variety of estate and elder law areas.